Hey guys, it's Maliki from Dysfunctional 3, and this is what I do in the morning. I sleep in a bunk bed with my younger brother Ash, because he wanted to sleep in the same room as me. Raven usually wakes me up in the morning, using any means necessary. In the morning I stretch, which I'm doing right now. And I roll out of bed, and then I put on my glasses. And then, I'm ready for the morning. In the morning, right when I wake up, I feed my fish. I have a lot of fish, so I have to give them a lot of food. There's my fish. Turn off my fish tank light, and then I go to the washroom and I brush my teeth. I have an electric toothbrush, but the batteries are dead, and we don't have any batteries, so I'm just brushing it without any batteries. I don't quite sure what toothpaste I use. I think it's Crest toothpaste. I usually brush my teeth before I eat breakfast. Some people do the opposite. I like having a clean mouth while I eat breakfast. Usually after I brush my teeth, I floss. Which I did not do. I go to the washroom. I get up, go back to my room, and I put on clothes. Oh, no. Usually before clothes, I do my push-ups. There's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. Here, I gotta wait. I am not very strong, so I get tired quickly. I should probably work on my push-ups. Here I am. It didn't work for me. I tried to do what Raven somehow managed to do last time, so now I have to just put on my clothes regularly. So I have to figure out how Raven does that. Here I am. I have my clothes on. Walk to my room. Put on my socks. After that, I go upstairs. Say good morning to Ash, who's playing on the video games, as usual. Then I get ready to make my breakfast. My favorite breakfast meal is pancakes, so here I am making pancakes. I got butter in the bowl. I have salt and sugar, putting in the milk. Put in an egg. There we go. I put in some flour. And some more flour. And then I mix it up. It takes me a while to mix things. There you go, almost mixed up. And there we go. Probably looks like it's my first time making pancakes. Here I'm putting the pancake batter on the griddle. Yeah, there we go. 3, 4. I'm making quite a mess here. 5 and 6. But, like, am I supposed to talk through this the whole video? Okay, there we go. Pancakes ready. Put them on a plate. Almost done. And there we go. Get another. Putting some more pancake batter. All the pancakes are done. Sit down. Grab some syrup. Put it on my pancakes. Yum. and I eat them. I love pancakes, they're delicious. I'm a pig. Pig, piggity pig. Oh, there we go. Almost done all my pancakes. I really actually did eat them all. That actually happened. I didn't give them to anyone. That was all me. Okay, I put my plate away. And usually in the morning when I'm done, I go on to Joe Blow and I look for new trailers. See if there's any new trailers for our reaction channel. Oh, here, we found one. And there we are. Guys, there's a new trailer. Calling Raven and Ash. They're coming. Then I get ready. First I put the backdrop on. Then I take our stools, set them all up in front of the backdrop. Trying doing here. Set the backdrop up. Gotta arrange the chairs properly. Here we go. I'm gonna grab the tripod and I put the camera on the tripod. Push it to the bottom. And there. Put the camera on the tripod. And then let's put the camera in frame so you can get everyone. And I also have to put the backdrop properly so you don't see the wall, which happened there. There we go. Oh, you can see green. There we go. Perfect. The lights. I got it. No, it's fine, Ash. I got it. That's okay.
Oh, this is the hard two. Hi guys, Dysfunctional 3.
Cut out a huge portion of this reaction out because this reaction is for our reaction channel, D3 Reacts. This is my morning routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a YouTube channel and you make videos on it, make a video of your morning routine. Put the link in the description below, in the comments section down below, and we'll watch it. Once again, thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Pause on everything. And don't forget, you might be dysfunctional, but you're still beautiful.